Hi Queens, and welcome back to the Queen's Guide. Lantia here as usual, and I will be doing a makeup tutorial. It's been a long time since I just sat down, beat my face with you guys, and just enjoyed it and just like spoke with you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, you know what to do. I don't even need to tell you what to do. What do you need to do? Type it down below, all right? Because I know you guys know, because you guys are some real ones. It's some real ones. We're just here to recreate a spring look that I have worn and I have loved wearing, and I just want to show you guys how I achieved it. It's really not that complicated. Also, hold up, Craig. Hold up. I want to say a huge thank you to you guys for getting me to 1,000K. I really appreciate 1,000K. That'd be a million, no? You know what? I cannot do math right now. Thank you guys for getting me to 1K. Thank you for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Guess what? There's going to be a 1K giveaway. You guys just stay tuned and I'll give you all the information that you need in the next video. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's start doing this makeup. What I'm gonna do first, I never really do this first, is I'm gonna go ahead and put on my shadow. I usually don't put on my shadow first. I don't know what's going on today. And I'm using MAC's Pro Concealer Throwback. Haven't used it in a while, but the shade is perfect for my lids because it's like one of the lighter shades of my concealers. So I'm just gonna blend that. If there's one thing I love about the Pro Concealer, it's the coverage. It's insane. MAC products in general, coverage, they have down. They've always had down. We're gonna set it because it does crease. Actually, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my face because we're looking crazy, yo. Oh, we're looking hella crazy right now, but this is all for the oils, honeys. This is what we do for long wear. This is just a commercial break. I'm just applying some edge booster to my hair because of the hairstyle that I shall be doing today. I need this front hair to just cooperate, and we're just gonna leave that to make the things happen with the hair. I feel a lot of women don't just pack product on their faces for fun. It's to make sure that face doesn't move. It's to make sure that face is full coverage if you need full coverage. It's to make sure that that face is a face to be served on a platter. I don't know what that face looks like, but just know that it's to make sure that everything stays where it is. That's the only reason people do. The only reason actually that I would put on a bunch of makeup on my face is if I'm going for an event or I'm doing YouTube videos and I want it to be long wearing and I want to take photos later and things like that. Other than that, I'm out here doing like 1-2 things. The ones that require less product, I hear you ladies. I know some of you are not always going to be doing event makeup. You're not always going to be going out. You're not always going to be doing YouTube videos. So I hear you guys when you want that everyday simple beat, but this is one of those looks. So this is our transition tone, and it's gonna transition as to the orange, the bright orange that we're gonna wear today. For the main event, we are using the Morphe 35B palette. And that orange is basically the orange that I was going for then. It's the orange that I wanted at the end of the day to be like the main star of the event. The, you know, the baby, the one who just comes out and kills the show. I really wanted it high. I like to go this high up because I don't know if I have hooded lids or not, but when I look up I just know you'll be able to see it, and that makes me happy. So that's why I went that high. So before this dries, let's quickly place the orange on it. But this is how far I cut it. I'm gonna tap it on. I kind of like that awkward line at the end. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just there sitting. Kind of like it. Maybe for another look. This look, we're just smothering the face in orange. So my battery died. Every time I film, I feel like the devil's really trying me and testing me, and I'm just like, you think you're gonna win? You really thought you were gonna win? Dude, we already prepared the face, if you remember. We already put the primer, we already put the powder on. We're just gonna go ahead and just like apply. Like I was saying earlier, it's coming together, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're watching this and you're a female or you're a male and you're like, yo, oh my gosh, she's doing all these steps. Why is she doing all these steps? Like I told you earlier, we want this to last the entire day. For me personally, it would be the entire day. Like that's the only reason that you see all these gurus and all these people and you're like, what's going on? I used to be like, what's going on? And so I educated myself and I learned things about makeup, and I was like, oh, that makes sense. It's a whole science. Basically, in short, it's an entire science of its own. It's actually peachy. That's what it is. It's not orange, it's peachy. Right now, Steph London is running my playlist. She's running my life. She's running my entire heart. I really like her. I like women that like empower you through their music and you feel like, yeah, about being a boss. She's talking about being a don. That's why she's Steph London. And she just talks about being a boss, and I really it resonates with me when people do that. When female artists do that, I'm just like, yeah, tell it to me now. I feel like they're talking to me and they're like, you're the boss. You are the bosses. I really like Steph London. Comment below if you listen to Steph London, or if you're feeling her. If you're not feeling her, who are you feeling today in this life? I don't know if it's light. I don't know what's happening right there, but it's shining, baby. Okay, just some mascara for the eyes. Let's put this on. So for today, I actually wanted to wear falsies, but I cannot find them. Okay, lashes. My lashes are coming true, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know where they are. So for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend I have lashes on and pretend my lashes are, I mean, my lashes are actually bomb. If I do say so myself. I'm gonna finish my eye because my eyes are actually not complete, because I like to do what I do on the top, on the bottom. I'm not actually a fan of liner, and I recently learned that I think it's black liner, and I think I'm just not a fan of how like harsh it looks. So do my mascara without this fade. I'm gonna try to do my mascara without it. I feel like my mouth had to move in some way. Exciting part. We're gonna do a little like tear deck color. I'm gonna go in with this. It's actually a Makeup Forever color and it's one of my favorites. It goes, I was thinking of something more gold, but let's try this because it's like, it's rose goldy. So let's see what it does. It's just not as shimmery as I want. I love it, but we need more. We need more drama. That's such a pretty color, but on top of that, because I want shimmer, I'm gonna add this shimmer. It's just a gold. I'm gonna just quickly do a lip. I don't know if I'm gonna use a third one, but it's these cool looking colors. Ever since I learned that there's so many shades of nude, I don't know any other color. Like, I just don't know what that is. And then we'll just top it with a gloss. It's really cute like this, but I really want to put a gloss on it. I really want to put this on. It's like a lip gloss by MAC and it's got glitter in it. Guys, let's just do it. This is my crisis all the time. I'm like, should I put a gloss? Should I not? Because I love this like this, but when it's wet, it comes to life. So let's put it on. I'm quickly gonna go do my hair. Quickly, just like have a look coming so that I could take this off and just curl the ends real quick, like very loose curls. And then I'll be back to show you guys the final. So much for watching. If you've reached this far, you've come to the end of the video. And I just want to say a big thank you guys for watching the entire video from start to finish. Once again, thank you for getting me to 1K. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions and concerns about this video, how I achieved anything in this video, then do leave it in the comment sections down below. Before you leave a comment, do check the description box because I do make sure to leave a detailed description of every single thing that I use in the videos. So I will leave one down below. If you're not subscribed to the fam and you're still not convinced, go check out all my other videos. If at that point you feel like you want to join the fam, then come right through and hit the subscribe button. Just click on my face. Like I say in every single video, don't forget to be the queen. Alright guys, bye.